Hey, this is Brant with Vintage Statements, and today we've got this nice French 9-drawer dresser that we're going to redo. So stay tuned. Alright, pretty nice piece overall, kind of worn out, so that's why we're going to give it a good sanding, paint it white, and bring it back to life, more modern style. So first thing we're going to do, remove the hardware, pull the drawers, make sure all the tracks on the drawers and on the frame are good and tight. Pull the hardware, then we can start sanding this whole piece down. So let's get all these hardware off so we can start the fun part, sanding. Alright, so previously I sanded and I didn't turn the volume on, so let me get you caught up on that. We used the DeWalt sander, 80 grit sandpaper for everything that was flat. Then what we did is we went back in and hand sanded anything that had the curves on it. Now, this piece was in pretty good condition, so we didn't have a lot of hard sanding. Just had to give it a sand for the so we could get a little grit in there. So when we start painting, it's got a nice adhesive to it, a nice grip to it, which is what we want. So now we wiped it off, vacuumed it out, and we're ready to start painting. Today I'm going to use Behr Prime and Paint, or Behr Ultra Scuff Defense. It's the newest paint, I guess, for flat. So it's supposed to be better for cleaning and such. So that's going to be kind of cool. We're going to use our Woodster angled short handle brush. And well, we're going to do everything 2 coats, see how it comes out, and then we'll go from there. The color is Swiss Coffee. Alright, we put 2 coats of white or Swiss coffee on this, and we've let it dry. Now what we're going to do is scuff this up, give it a farm style look. I'm just going to do the edges, just a soft touch on it. Now, if you like the solid look, you can definitely skip this step and continue on. But for us, we're going to add a little scuff, a little wear into it. So let's get started. All right, we've painted it, we've scuffed it down, we've vacuumed it off again, and now what we're gonna do is just do a simple seal with a little bit of wax. So I got my Behr, it's a natural, it's a finishing wax. Goes on nice, especially here in Phoenix. It's already getting pretty warm, so this is gonna liquefy really easy. I'm gonna wipe it on, wipe it off, and then we'll be ready to put some hardware on, get this thing under the tree for some pictures. So let's get started. Alright, here it is completed. We sanded it down. We gave it 2 coats of Swiss coffee white in a flat. And then we scuffed it up again to give it a vintage feel and look. And then we waxed it. What do you think about the end result here from the beginning? That worn out look to a modern farm style look. Love it. If you like this project and many of our others, subscribe to our channel. Like us on Facebook and Instagram. Leave us a comment or two. And well, we'll keep trying to do some really cool projects like this for you guys.